you all daily update yourself channel. So our objective is learn something new. So now let's begin today topic. So all today topic is about quantitative aptitude test number 6. The topic today we are going to see is profit and loss. If you miss remaining 5 tests from quantitative aptitude after done this quiz, please attend that quiz. So here profit and loss questions are asking in during placement, MBA and all other competitive entrance exam. So before start this quiz, you have to understand percentage topic thoroughly. If you know percentage already, directly can start this quiz. So the number of questions you are going to attend is 10. The time allocated for each question is 30 seconds. If you don't sufficient, please pause this video before ending countdown and try to find out the answer. After each and every question, the answer will be displayed on the screen with the workings. So please once again read this formula for memory. It will make time to sufficient. Now let's start your quiz. A fruit seller buys lemons at 2 for a rupee and sells them at 5 for 3 rupees. His profit percentage is 20 is the correct answer. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. Next question. If the cost price of 15 books is equal to the selling price of 20 books, the loss percentage is 25 is the correct answer. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. Next question. The profit earned after selling an article for rupees 1754 is the same as loss incurred after selling the article for rupees 1492. What is the cost price of article? 1623 is the correct answer. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. Next question. Mohanlal purchased a TV set for rupees 12,500 and spent rupees 300 on transportation and rupees 800 on installation. At what price should he sell it so as to earn an overall profit of 15%? 15,640 is the correct answer. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. Next question. If the ratio of cost price and selling price of an article be 10 is to 11, the percentage of profit is 10 is the correct answer. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. Next question. The cost price of an article is rupees 7,840. What should be the selling price of the article so that there is a profit of 7%? 8,388.80 is the correct answer. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. Next question. A sells an article which cost him rupees 400 to B at a profit of 20%. B then sells it to C, making a profit of 10% on the price he paid to A. How much does C pay B? 528 is the correct answer. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. Next question. By selling a bicycle for rupees 208.50, a shopkeeper gains 14%. If the profit is reduced to 8%, then the selling price will be 2,700 is the correct answer. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. Next question. A wholesaler buys 20 pence at the market price of 16 pence to a retailer. The retailer in turn sells them at the market price. Determine the gain or loss percentage to the retailer. 25% is the correct answer. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. The last question. The ratio between the sale price and the cost price of an article is 7:5. What is the ratio between the profit and the cost price of that article? Two is to 5 is the correct answer. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. I hope it was easy to attend all of them. So if you are beginners, practice this topic daily, you can score very well. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. If you want to attend more tests like this related competitive entrance exam, please visit my channel and look playlist tab. There are lots of video available as per the test order. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you. If you like my video, please press like button and share this video to your friends and relatives. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And if for your future update, don't forget to hit bell icon button.